What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. You may notice my voice sounds different. I'm a bit sick, but let's get on with opening Mishra's Burnished Banner, the Brothers War pre-release kit. If you did not see my video from earlier, that was pretty much just me taking this off. So, okay, so it's this kind of one. Discard that. I'm gonna keep the pre-release card covered up. Oops, I grabbed the first draft booster. Oh, there's the dice. Let's see, I don't want to orient this. I'm gonna put that there. Here's the dice. Come on, camera focus, goddammit. Lovely. Come on, focus. You can do it. Come on. Focus. Focus. There. Lovely little Brothers War symbol. I'll put my hand next to it to scale. Not too bad. And then we got the 6 draft boosters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alrighty, let's get on with it. First pack. Skip through all that. First rare, Gwenna, Eyes of Gaia. Nice. 2/3 for 3. It's a green. Tap it for 2 mana and any combination of colors. Springleaf Drum. That looks pretty cool. I like these retro frames. Alrighty. You know what? Actually, I'm going to make a separate pile for the retro frames. That'll be the commons and uncommons. Alright. Wait. Oh, okay. It's just that. Sorry, got kind of confused there. This bulk. I feel like I smell some value here. Oops, still an uncommon. Oh, let's go to Fairy Temporal Pilgrim. Holy shit. I watched Bad Boy Gaming, Joey Moss Boss. I watched him open a pack. He said, I smell value, and he pulled Teferi. Oh shit, that's a spoiler. Oops. He pulled Teferi, Temporal Pilgrim. This card, borderless. From it. Shit, double shit. He pulled Teferi from. Oh my god, let's freaking go. So happy about that. Another Springleaf Drum retro frame, and you guys already saw this. Phyrexian Dragon Engine. Melds with Mishra, claimed by Gix into Mishra, lost to Phyrexia. 9/9. Jesus, voice crack. 9/9. Whenever Mishra lost to Phyrexia enters the battlefield or attacks, choose 3. Target opponent discards 2 cards. Mishra deals 3 damage to any target. Destroy target artifact or planeswalker. That's a pretty good ability. Creature you control gain menace and trample till end of turn. Creatures you don't control get -1/-1 till end of turn. Or create 2 tapped Power Stone tokens. That is very nice. That was an amazing pack. Teferi already. Also, go check out Joey Moss, Bad Boy Gaming, Moss Boss. Bad Boy Gaming, that's his channel name. Go check him out. He's absolutely amazing. Oops. Okay, here we go. Hey, there's a Mishra Excavation Prodigy. That's like young Mishra, I think. Kayla's Reconstruction. Icor Wellspring. Mask of the Jade Crafter. and a Power Stone. This is the Power Stone token that's on the back of Mishra and Phyrexian Dragon Engine. Disenchant. Oh my god. How many disenchants are there? Honestly, bro, there's like so many. I swear to god, bro. There's like another borderless or something. No, wait, that's the back card, isn't it? That is disappointment. Alright. So Mythic. Can you guys see that? How well can you see that? Focus, damn camera. Mythic. In the Trenches. Enchantment for 3 creatures you control, get +1/+1. 5 and a white. Exile target non-land permanent you don't control until in the... Oh! Okay. Oh, only once. Okay, that's unfortunate. But still. And Mishra's Bauble. Huh. Interesting. So 0 mana artifact that has tap, sacrifice it. Look at the top card of target player's library. Draw a card at the beginning of the next turn's upkeep. That's cool. The way that goes in there. Interesting. So 2 mythics out of 4 packs. We're doing pretty good here, actually. I think this is going to be a pretty good set. Let's get past all this bulk. Rare. The Temporal Anchor, eh? This is a pretty cool card. 3 and 3 blue. At the beginning of upkeep, scry 2. Whenever you choose to put 1 or more cards on the bottom of your library while scrying, exile that many cards from the bottom of your library. During your turn, you can play cards exiled with it. Millstone, Tokasia's Dig Site, and a Soldier Artifact. Alright, last pack. Let's see if we can get some lovely value like that Teferi in it. Alright, let's see, skip past all this bulk. There we go. I think that's the last bulk. Yep, okay, so we got a rare and Urza's Command. 2 and 2 blue for choose 2. Creatures you don't control get -2/-0 until end of turn. Create a tapped Power Stone token. Create a tapped 0/0 colorless construct artifact creature token with this creature gets +1/+1 for each artifact you control, or scry 1, then draw a card. Inspiring Sanctuary. Okay, a rare retro frame. Nice little land. That's cool. And then another Power Stone artifact. So that will finish up this video. We got an In the Trenches and a Teferi Temporal Pilgrim as our 2 mythics. Very happy about the Teferi. And then for our rares, we got Inspiring Statuary, Retro Frame, Urza's Command, the Temporal Anchor, Kayla's Reconstruction, Phyrexian Dragon Engine Foil that melds into the Mishra, and Gwenna, Eyes of Gaia. Oh, and I almost forgot the pre-release card to finish it off. Behind here, Soul Partition for 1 and a white instant with exile target non-land permanent for as long as that card remains exiled. Its owner may play it. Spells cast by an opponent. This way it costs 2. That is a terrible card. What? Only 2 more? That's only good on something that's like really expensive. Huh. There's that nice little gold 2022 symbol. The nice foiling. So, alright, kind of a disappointing card right there, but hey, we got 2 mythics and a Teferi borderless. So, very happy about that. Here's the dice. Watch this amazing nat 20. 7. I disappoint sometimes. A lot of the times. Sorry. Oh yeah, might as well just show you guys what the poster thing looks like. Wow, that looks pretty cool. Mishra's Burnished Banner. Alrighty. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.